Hi guys! Ito ang inspiring story and successful customer visit ng 24/7 one-stop print shop. Ang goal ko sa trip na to is all about going out, meeting clients, and creating real opportunities on the ground. Every call, every visit, every pitch has one mission. We don't chase clients, we convert them into sales. So, isa sila sa successful customer visit this week natin. We've been here last 2 weeks. So bago natin sila puntahan, ang first move na gagawin natin is tawagan sila. So hi guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano fill upan ng customer visit checklist. So bago nyo puntahan yung mga prospect nyo, tawagan nyo muna sila through phone, magkanda kayo ng interview and ask them several questions based on customer visit checklist para magkaroon tayo ng guidelines towards the flow of conversation. It serve as a guide para hindi kayo magmukhang ewan during customer engagement. So importante makausap nyo sila para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung interested ba sila sa giveaways, uniforms, signages, and also employee counts at current supplier nila. So pilapan po natin name ng establishment. So dito ang nilagay natin is ito yung name nila, Concept One Security Agency. So, ilagay nyo rin dito kung anong industry sila. So, nilagay natin dito is security agency kasi ano sila? Security guard, ganon. So, tapos, wag nyo kalimutan yung contact name. Ito, contact name na nakausap nyo para makapasok kayo sa establishment. Sa uniforms, signages, and interested giveaways, talk to them in a right manner. Galingan nyo mag-sales at galingan nyo mambola. Sa
1, 2, 3, go.
So dito naman sa MPPS, ang nilagay naman natin dito is kung saan sila nakapwesto. Katulad ng nilagay ko dito, located sila sa Burgundy Corporate Building. Sa giveaways naman po, kung ano yung ipapamigay nyo sa kanila, watch nyo na lang po yung previous vlog ko para magka-idea kayo kung paano mag-marketing. Last is, tanungin nyo sila kung sino yung supplier nila. So dito ang nilagay natin is not mentioned. Hindi po sila nagbigay ng information. Then, yung last po is visited by and yung date. Yun lang guys. So, latag tayo ng customer visit kit and yung mga items na nirequest nila na gusto nila makita. Nandito tayo sa main office. Total employee counts is 160 plus, including other branches. Interested sila sa sublimation and bomber jacket. So, ang focus natin dito is sublimation. So, may dala tayong brochure, mga fabrics, and mga samples. The good news na close deal natin, 152 pieces ng Chinese collar full sublimation worth 60,000. Ang laking tulong ng customer visit checklist. It gives us a way para mas mapadali ang negotiation. So after a week, dineliver natin sa kanila yung order nila and chinek natin one by one. And sobrang thankful ng admin nila.
First and foremost, we would like to express our sincere gratitude for the quality and reliability of the product. It has been consistently met our expectation in terms of durability and overall value. Your commitment to excellence is clearly reflected in the products we deliver, and it has greatly contributed to the satisfaction of our team and clients. We truly appreciated the level of consistency and professionalism that your company upholds. Thank you.